Take some chili flakes in a bowl, add some sesame seeds, some sugar, a little bit of broth powder. This is a vegan chicken broth powder that is available on Urban Platter. Works well with a lot of Chinese dishes as well. Add red chili powder. I usually like to add about 4 tablespoons because I like it really spicy, but you can do it as per your spice tolerance. Add a little bit of salt, and then we'll take some black peppercorns in a mortar and pestle, grind them up really fine, add that as well. Add about 150 ml of oil, heat it on a slow flame, add some star anise and coriander seeds to flavor the oil. Once the seeds are popping and bubbling, turn off the heat, and we will strain the oil right in the bowl so that the chili flakes and chili powder gets cooked with the heat of the oil. And that's it. You have your chili oil ready to go. You can serve it with anything, with momos, with dosas, but more videos on that later. Enjoy.